Hey y'all! Did you miss me? Did you? Did you miss me for real? Welcome back to Flannery Food Fridays. I'm Flannery, about to make you up some food, and you guessed it, it's Friday. Let's get baking. I can't see you, but it's been so long since you've seen me. Unless you watch my old videos, what you should have. Anyway, today we're making the classic chocolate chip cookie bars with marshmallows on top to make it like s'more because it's summertime. You're gonna need the following ingredients. You're gonna need sugar, brown sugar, butter, baking soda, salt, vanilla, 1 egg, flour, marshmallows, and my favorite chocolate. How fantastic is that? Oh, it's gonna be so great. All right, y'all, let's get started. Our first step is to combine our butter and our sugars, but let's make sure our butter's softened first. To check it, you can just squeeze it. Feels soft to me. Let's put it in the bowl. Here we go. Now I recommend squeezing it when the wrapper's on, or else you're gonna get it all over your hands. And you can scrape off the extra because maybe you squeezed a little too hard. Our next step is we're gonna do something that's never been done in the whole history of every single baking show that's ever been made that I've seen. We're gonna combine both of our sugars at the exact same time. Can I do it? Let's try. Well, that was not beautiful at all because my brown sugar is not as smooth as my regular sugar. Maybe that's why they don't do it, because it's such a fail. But it's still gonna taste good. Let's stir it up. My butter's, there we go. I just gotta combine it so nice and beautifully. This is the best part ever, because butter and sugar, oh my gosh, who doesn't love this? Just give me a spoon, I'm gonna eat it all up. I do have a spoon right here, but I'm not gonna do it. You can't trick me like that. Well, you probably can, but okay, I'm just gonna keep stirring. Y'all, I almost forgot about 350, my best friend. How could I forget you? I'm so sorry, I'll never do it again. Please don't burn my cookie bars. I'm so embarrassed I forgot about 350. But we're just gonna move on and we're gonna add our 1 egg and our vanilla, and hopefully 350 will calm down by the time it's time to bake. Here we go. Watch this magic trick. I'm gonna crack it with 1 hand. Wow, no shell. Now gotta wash my hands. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, it's time to add my... Did somebody already add my vanilla? Did I already add my vanilla? Did I forget to record me putting in my vanilla? And it's already stirred up? What's happening here? I don't know. It's been so long since I've done this, but now that my vanilla's in and it's all been stirred by somebody, I'm not quite sure who. I'm gonna go find my other ingredients real fast to make sure no one adds them before I get back. Y'all, came back with my flour and my baking soda and my salt so I can add them all at the same time before anyone adds them without me. Even though I actually added the vanilla and I forgot to record it, but we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen and that someone else did it and it wasn't me. Let's add in all our rest of our ingredients. First, we're gonna add in our salt. Perfect. Now let's add in our baking soda. There, it's still in the bowl. Oh gosh darn, I need to, oh, I got it out. I just had to shake it. Okay, let's add our flour. And now, my favorite part and your favorite part, let's stir it up. Yo, this is the part where it becomes the actual dough. This is the part where it all comes together and you can actually bake it after you add the chocolate chips. Do not forget the chocolate chips ever, and anything that you ever do. Even if it doesn't call for chocolate chips, don't forget the chocolate chips. Alright, y'all, it's time to add the best part, the chocolate. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna save this part for the top because that's gonna be so melty and chocolatey and fantastic. So I'll put this to the side and then stir it up. Look at that. Is this not the most chocolatey, chippy cookie dough, bar dough you have ever seen in your whole life? It's gonna be so good. I cannot wait to eat it. I gotta get this sucker in the oven so I can eat it all up. Alright, y'all, so now I have my pan that I have sprayed and lined with my parchment paper. And now we add in our dough and make this thing a cookie bar. Let's do it. Sometimes it just falls right in and you can't control it. But as long as I got it in the pan and not on the counter, it's a win for me. Oh, it smells so good. I just want to eat all of the dough. And then once you get it all out, you spread it. You spread it all out. Oh no. Nobody saw that part. Now that I've flattened my cookie dough bars to look like cookie dough bars, I'm gonna put them into the oven and hope that my friend 350 treats them well. Alright, 350, you be nice, okay? You treat them good. Don't burn them. Yo, 350 didn't burn them. We're still best friends. But it's not over yet because I still gotta put something back in there. But let's add our chocolate to the top and make it all melty. I'm so excited. Should I just add all of them? Hey, what the heck? Let's add all of it. Now we wait for it to get melty and then spread it all out. Then add our marshmallow, put it back into 350, and voila! I got me some s'mores. Make sure you get it over everything. I mean, if you want to leave like a little crust, like a pizza, that's up to you. But it's so chocolatey, it's so fantastic. That chocolatey, melty goodness, I could just swim in this. I wonder if there's a chocolate pool somewhere. Maybe just in Willy Wonkaville. Such a great movie. Now that my chocolate river has been made, I'm gonna add my marshmallows on top to make it like a s'more, then put it into 350's cousin Broil. Okay, let's go. And how many marshmallows do I want? That's a question that I do not have the answer to, but this is gonna be so good. Are marshmallows, are these gonna spread in the oven? I think they will, so I can leave a little bit of space in between. All right, y'all, now we're gonna put it in broil just for like 30 seconds to a minute because Broil and I aren't so close, so he might burn it. Okay, see you soon. Y'all, 350 and Broil, neither of them burned my cookie bars. Maybe the three of us could be the three best friends that anybody ever had. Me, 350, Broil. It's like a match made in kitchen heaven. It's like you need 4 hands. Maybe grab it from the corners. And go. I did it. I didn't break it in half. This is the best day ever. Nobody burned it and I didn't break it. Now let's taste it. Here we go. This is going to be the best chocolate chip cookies s'mores bar anyone has ever had. Except I'm going to be the only one eating it. Look how chocolatey, marshmallowy that is. Here we go, y'all. Eating my s'mores chocolate chip cookie bar. Oh my gosh. See how melty and chocolatey that is? Let's take a bite. Right in the middle. You see that? Do I have chocolate on my face? It's worth it if I do because this is so good. The chocolatey 350, she was not mad at me because this is perfect. She really is the greatest. I just love 350. Y'all, if you do anything today, make these. You won't regret it. Thank y'all so much for joining me on this week's episode of Flannery Food Fridays. This week I made the most bestest chocolatey, ooey gooey chocolate chip s'mores bars anyone has ever had. Except I was the only one who ate them. But you're gonna make them too and then we could be twins. And anyways, join me next week when I make something else that'll be equally fantastic because I made it. Thanks, y'all.